Feel my skin tight. Hello everyone! Can you guess what this video is? Yes, it is this hot memory that many people have been waiting for a long time. Color test of liquid blush. Now my face is all ready. Except for the state where the blush is finished for him. And what about these 4 colors? It's 01 and 02. They belong to 2 colors with higher saturation. Then 0304 will have a lower degree of protection than when I usually use. General situation. It is to use 03204 to make a whole atmosphere base. Then use 01 and 02 to stack. So today's color test, I also want to use this type. I'm here to show you its color. So first of all, our combination is 03 plus 0. 1 is orange. Okay, the first is 03 Oat Quicksand color. It's one such oatmeal in a nude orange tone. It is very suitable for our primer because it's not too saturated. Nude tones are heavier, so novices don't have to worry about heavy hands or anything. I'm using one of these sloping slopes here. Brush and then don't be when you practice. I rubbed him so hard. Just gently click it like this. This is how he feels on a single one. Okay, let's click a 101 next. He is such a thin one. Orange tone. You can see, they're actually pretty similar in color. But his thinness is also higher. Give it to him. It's just a small range, a little less stacking. Just let his fingertips. A small part of the position is smudged. Is it the lightness of the whole color now? Just one up. We'll be more progressive. And it's that watery feeling. In fact, after finishing it, you don't go after that very, very bright crystal water light painting. It's not necessary. Go to Xing Shui light sticks and highlights or something. His gloss is enough. The depression is still very heavy. I like this orange depression. Just take the 2 of them. Take a few pictures of him I used earlier. Okay, let's try 04 plus 02 next. Here are 2 pink photos. The first is this text coral light color detection. There is such a naked gray pink. There will be a bit of gray and purple. Use it to knock over the black base first. See if it's that kind. Pink and tender Barbie feeling. It feels very natural, that kind of blood. This color is so versatile. I think he wears daily makeup or you wear cold makeup. Just the last one is very simple. And can't go wrong. Because he has low saturation, still not afraid of heavy hands. But then, if you wear depressing makeup and want to be on camera, in fact, I always feel that it will almost taste, right? One of my favorite finale color numbers. Color 02 among the current 4 colors. Yes, if you must have the darkest color. Must be Tremella. I really like this strawberry color. Look at this white. Can you feel this winey? Bright feeling, really special looking. Look at the 2 of them, they are also more similar in tone. But he will be a little more gray. Dropped a lot with this. It's that strawberry powder. And then we still give him a little stacking. Then poke it in a small direction. It's really great this time. Look at him superimposing like this. Is it that kind of paint that comes out after falling off? Are you ignoring this hair on my arm? The hair on my arms has grown recently. Screenshot, screenshot, screenshot. Okay, let me cut a few for you. I used to take pictures with him. Finally gave this color test to everyone. I hope you all like it. Well, that's it for this poem. I hope this poem can help you. Bye bye.